My name is Joanna Newman, and I'm a senior product designer at Apple. I'm based at Infinite Loop in Cupertino, California. Being a designer means that we design every part of the app. We look at the user experience and we design in a very holistic way, looking at the functionality, but also looking at the details of the design to make sure it's very polished. A significant career milestone for me is being a designer on the Journal team. It's an app where you can have a dedicated place to journal, and we give you journaling suggestions to help you get started. I've been part of this project from the early conception to our first version release, and it's been a really exciting journey to see all parts of the process along the way. One of my favorite courses was on teams and the formation of teams and how you go through all the phases of coming together, forming, storming, norming, performing. And throughout my time at Apple, I've been part of a couple different teams. And I was really able to apply this and have a deeper understanding of what makes a team by just going through the coursework on it. One emerging trend that I'm really excited about is the next wave of creative immersive experiences. I've been so excited about the launch of Vision Pro, and with my background in visual effects and film production, I remember how much time it took just to rotoscope or render, animate a shot. And now technology is just even more powerful. Everything's faster, but with immersive content, you can really feel like something is right there in front of you. I would describe Quantic as flexible, efficient, and very thoughtfully designed.